Okay ladies, welcome back to the channel. This is your girl J Baby for everybody who don't know. Today I am reviewing the Janet Collection Super Flow Moon Wig. It's a deep part lace wig and it is in the style, actually the color Honey Blonde. Y'all say my cat, her name is Asia. My little kitten, she is 5 weeks old. But I came back to review this wig because you guys have been asking from my affordable wig haul. I did I think 4 wigs and you guys wanted me to do a review on it again, totally, so I'm going to do it personally for you guys. So here she is, and I have not worn these wigs since I did the affordable wig haul. So y'all, my little hairs is growing. I got my little hairs growing back for real. Yeah, so let's go ahead and put her on. First off, hold up. She has only 2 combs, actually 2 combs right here, and she has one down here with, of course, the adjustable straps right here on the sides. She comes with a middle part, and this is what your parting looks like. So I had already cut the lace off in the previous video that I did with the affordable wig haul. So let's go ahead on and put her on. I'm going to slide the combs in. So this is what she looks like. I had to zoom out and I had to actually turn the camera off. But this is what she looks like, and she is the Super Flow Deep Part Lace Wig. Now with this wig, it's really nothing that you have to do with her. But I know you guys wanted for me to do a video with each wig separately, so I'm gonna brush her out more. And actually she do look good brushed out, but she also looks good like this too. But I'm just gonna brush her out because I wanted to see, and you guys asked me how does she look brushed out, or can I straighten her? And I'm not going to straighten her at all. I'm just gonna leave her like this. These are affordable wigs, y'all. I'm telling you, these are very affordable wigs. Main Gang got it going on. So this is what she looks like. Let me see if I can move back just a little bit. And it's really, I mean, this is straight out the packet, really, besides me just brushing her. Now, as far as the shedding, she do have some shedding. So this is the shedding that I got from her right here, and from brushing her out. So I have the blow dryer, and this is a Salon Series 1875 watt. So this is what this looks like right here. And I'm just going to blow dry the top of here, and I'm going to actually put it, it has low, off, and high. I'm going to put it on high, and then every now and again I'm going to give it heat, and then I'm going to push the cool button right here, just to, so it don't get, I don't want it to burn. It's synthetic. And I'm just going to lay it on here just so I can flatten this out. Now I'm giving it some cool. Now I'm going back with the heat. Now cool. Heat. And cool. Okay, now if you can see right here from what I already did that she's pretty flat, but if you see on this side, she still has this little hump up here and this. So I'm going to go ahead on and flatten her out right there. This hair is so beautiful. It is so beautiful. I love her. She is the Moon. And I have another wig, which is her sister, that I'm going to be reviewing also today. If not today, then tomorrow. So I'm going to go ahead and give it some heat. And a little bit of cool. Now heat. And cool. Okay, so if you can see, there's really nothing much you have to do with her, but just put her on your head and keep her moving. If you want to put like a little bit of glue on her to have it down in the front, like like up in this area, you can. I'm not going to do it because I'm just reviewing her again. But I do want to probably put a little bit of foundation. So I'm going to use the Nika K New York, the Duo. It's the Contour Duo. And it doesn't really have much to it that I can be able to say. So let's find a good brush. Okay, and I'm going to use this brush right here to kind of like just take, actually I could move the parting a little bit more. I'll see in a minute. I'm going to use this one right here. Actually, no, I'm not going to do any more parting to her. I mean plucking to her because she's plucked enough. I don't want a little bald spot in here. And her parting goes really, really long. I really do like it a whole lot. So this is what she looks like. Honey, she is like nice. I really like her. She is really nice. I didn't cut all the lace off right here. I know you guys can see it. And I'm definitely not going, well, you know what, I really should. Being that I already cut the lace off the other side. I'm just going to take a little bit off of her. But yes, this wig, I really like her. She is like one you could just basically take out the packet. Do a little bit of brushing to her if you want to brush her out. And after you brush her out, and look. After you brush her out, you can just go ahead on and put a little bit of foundation in the parting like I did right here. And, honey, just go, you know. Just go. I like to kind of like twist her around like that. Every time I get on here, it's like my phone is ringing. So I am back. You know, don't y'all hate it when you get those kind of calls that's like really not important? They say, hi, this person was like, hi, this is Bridget. I'm like, who the hell is Bridget? Those are like those little prank spam calls. So this is what she looked like, guys. It's nothing much you really can do with her, but just take her out the packet and just, you know, just wear her. That's it. This is what the back of her looks like. And that's it. It's nothing much to the Moon wig. So for all you ladies who wanted me to review her, here you go, baby. This wig is just really nice, and it's affordable, and I really do like it. And would I rock it in real time, in real life? Yes, I would really rock it because I think that it is well put together. Y'all see me keep going through it. It's nice, and it's flowy, and it's bouncy. You see that? So, Jana Collection, you have came through again, and of course this is a natural deep flow, deep part lace wig, premium synthetic fiber. That means that it is synthetic, heat resistant fiber, safe up to 360 degrees. They have curling 9 directions right here. This is the honey blonde right here, and the name of it, the color is honey blonde, the name, which is the style, is Moon. They have other different colors that you can be able to get right here. They have the general care instructions and all of that, and yeah, this is what this looks like. Now hers is like this, but of course y'all know I went on and combed mine out because I like the body that it gives when you comb it out. So like J Baby always says, be blessed and not stressed, and J Baby is signing off. Mwah.